All right, you guys, so we are at this place called ReStore. It's in Glen Burnie, Maryland. So if you are in this area, here is a nice little secondhand home store for you. They might have used sinks and used cabinets or whatever, so they might have that in here. From what I was told, I haven't been here before, so somebody told me to come here, so I'm here and let's check it out. All right, you guys, let's start this ReStore tour. All right, you guys, let's go in here and check it out. Check it out. Okay, something that I'm not going to get is an old couch. Oh, these look new. Oh, hold up a second. You guys, I think these are new. $500. This is the fake leather. Smell like Goodwill. All right, yep, definitely secondhand stuff. They have all this old tapes, CDs, DVDs. Might find some records for my record player. VHS, if y'all kids know anything about VHS. All right. They told me that they had sinks and stuff in here. Oh, well, what do you know? Cabinets. All right, you guys, so over there is the dressers and stuff over there if you want to. Oh, they got a wine little set right there. Let me zoom in. Look at that. You can sand and stain that. That would be nice. So a lot of DIY opportunities up in here. Oh, okay. I'm looking for a bar sink. Let's see if we can find a bar sink, you guys. $900 for a set. Not bad. Oh, this is a nice right here. This is nice. $2,000 for a set. You guys, I am not gonna lie. That is pretty good. And I believe it's this whole set right here. $2,000 for this whole set. That is not bad. This is one DIY that you should do. Ooh, would you look at that? Oh, okay. This one is messed up, but you can fix this. This is an easy fix. You just need a bottom part to be balanced. A little lazy Susan. So the top look like 42-inch. So these are some good cabinets, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to count how many they have. I might redo my kitchen. All right, I know I'm holding y'all time up. Sorry. All right, let's head on down. And we do have a sink, but it may not be the size I need. It's round, which is good. No, this is, I probably could use this. It's $50. Amazon got the actual bar sink for $40. All right, I'm gonna keep that one in mind. $75. I don't think that color will go with what I'm looking for. Oh, they got a double sink here, in which I need in the kids' bathroom. Might be able to use this. How much is it? $50? Hey, I might get this. I might have to come back, you guys. Oh, look at that. They got PVC. Is this 8-inch pipe? 6-inch? Dang, this is big. This is a nice store. Got vents, couplings. I don't know if they as cheap as Home Depot, but they got couplings here. Look at this. Can I do anything with this? This is nice. I like this. Okay, you can lift the top up. Does it retract back itself? Just showing y'all a little quick tour of the used stuff. Yeah, that would be my thing, right? If y'all follow my channel, then you'll know me already. Wow, they got a lot of Home Depot stuff up in here. What the heck is this? This looks like a vacuum. I know what that is. That's a table saw. An antique table saw. Seemed very industrial. Something that is beyond my pay grade. Looking. Speakers. Okay, stuff to hang shelves with. Cables. Very old cables. Actually, this is what one of my boxes in my basement look like, with these old cables right here. All right, camera and the mirror The mirror is watching me in the camera. All right. You have stove, oven, dishwasher, paint stuff. Oh, this is a little paint basket right here. That's nice. Tools, you guys. Oh, they do have some outdoor electrical. They have tools. They're old, hand me down, old toilets, and I will not be buying this stuff. That's just too old, you guys. That's too old. Oh, this would have been nice in the basement or in my garage. 75 bucks. You never know what you find in these places, you guys. So go out there and see. Is this Samsung? Kenmore. So if you have a Kenmore, you can have a matching microwave. Frigidaire, 100 bucks, which is cheap compared to going to the big box stores. Now, don't get me wrong, they actually have some nice sets now. This would be a nice set right here, $750. And this actually feel like back in the day would. I want to put some thought into it if I want to get this white one. It's going to be for the basement bar area. I can use this, or I can just go with Amazon and get a new one for 40 bucks, which is a regular bar sink. Or I could go with the round one right here. I'm gonna think about it. I forgot to bring my measuring tape, but I think this would be a decent size for the corner area. You got paint. 1 gallon is $16. 5 gallons, $65. That's regular Home Depot prices. All right, you guys, so they got some new stuff here. Ratchet tie down. Look like just one. Clamps. At a fairly decent price, I would say. That's it, you guys. I am not gonna hold up too much more of y'all time. I'm gonna double think about that circle sink, because I don't believe you can return in here if I have the wrong size. So that will be it. Let's wrap up this review. All right, you guys, so they had one round sink in there in which I could have used. Other than that, I don't think that round one will fit what I'm doing in the basement. I might just get the regular square sink and be done with it with that. So I mean, other than that, it's okay. But yeah, they do have a lot of good stuff. I'm not gonna lie, that kitchen, that cabinet set is legit. Other than that, that will be it. This is a good store. It's decent. It had some good stuff in it, so I like it. Yeah, that will be it. Like, comment, and subscribe.